Hello and welcome. In this lesson, I want to show you how you can use a feature here in MS Excel called conditional formatting. As you can see it here, it is in the Home tab to be able to select what you want from large amount of data. Here we have sample data from competitors. After a certain competition, they were able to be given total points out of 100. We want to be able to analyze this information by grouping it in different sheets. It is just the same information grouped into different sheets so that we are able to select what we want using the conditional formatting tool. So in the first sheet, I'm only interested to highlight male competitors, and we can see there is a column here for the gender. So we are going to select only male competitors, and to do that we will come and first select this from beginning to the last person. Then I will come to my conditional formatting icon, then look for highlight cells rules, and I want male competitors, so I will just use equal to. So I will click this and I will type here M, then I will click OK. So you can see only male competitors have been selected, and in case I want to remove formatting like this anytime, I can just come and click conditional formatting, clear rules, and I can even choose here clear rules from entire sheet like that. Then the formatting is removed. I will undo. So I will go ahead in the next sheet, and here I'm going to select only female competitors. So I'm going to select like this. After selecting to the last person, I will just come and click highlight cells rules equal to, then I will just type F for female and click OK. And you can see only female competitors have been selected. And the reason why you could be selecting, maybe you are interested to do certain operations on the female only, like that. So the next one we want to see here, competitors who were born after 1985. And you can see here we have a column for the date of birth. So we were recording their date of birth, and now we want to analyze maybe the people with highest points, are they older or they are younger. And here I want only those ones who were born after 1985. It means the younger ones. So I will go ahead and select all the dates of birth. Then after selecting them, I am going to my conditional formatting, and I will type here, I will just choose highlight cells. Then I want to use greater than, because those who were born after 1985, their date of birth has a figure which is greater. So we are going to use greater than, and I want to put here those who were born after 31st December 1984, of course. 31st December 1984, yes, because 31st December of 1984 was the last day of 1984. It means anybody who has a date of birth above that should be the one born after 19 after 19 no, the date of the year should be 1985. Yes, so that we are only picking those one who were born after 1985. It means this person was born after 31st December 1985. So we'll click OK, and you can see these are the young competitors we have, born in 1985, 88, 93, like that. So whoever is not selected is older, and this person was born before or on 1985. I will go ahead and do the next one. Remember, this formatting will never be removed unless you clear the formatting yourself. So in 1985 and before, we have people here also. So we are looking for those people who were born either in 1985 or before 1985. So I am going to look for those people who were born within 1985 or before. So I'm going to select my date of birth column. After selecting it, I will go to my conditional formatting, highlight cells less than. So I'm going to use the less than this time, and I will click it. So I want somebody who was born before less than, whose date of birth is less than 1st January 1986, I think so. 1st of January 1986. Yes. So whoever was born before 1st January 1986, that person was born in 1985, because this was the first day of the year 1986. So I'm going to click OK. So those are the people who were born before or within 1985, and we can confirm their dates of birth here. I will go ahead and do another one, and this time I'm looking for those who scored points above average. And first I want to go and calculate my average point here. So I'm going to do average, double click it from the list, and I'm going to select all these points for all the people like that. Then I will press enter. So our average point is 52.16, so let us round it to 52. So I will save the changes in this file. Now we want those competitors who scored above average here, and to do that, first select all the data in the column, then come to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules. So I want something here. I think it is in the next one, top bottom. Under top bottom rules, there is something above average. So I will click this, and when I click OK, I will get those people who scored above average. So our average is 52, and whoever is highlighted here has scored above average. Those people who are not yet highlighted, they scored below average. So I will go ahead to the next tab, come and calculate my average points here, and select my data to the last one and press enter, and round off these average points. Now I am looking for those people who scored below average, and I will just select all the data for the total points, come to my conditional formatting and choose here below average and click OK. So all these are people who scored below average, and that is how we do it. It is very simple, and you can see this tool is very helpful. Instead of browsing and scrolling using your eyes to manually select things, you just use what we call condition formatting in MS Excel spreadsheet. Thank you for participating. I wish to see you soon. Bye bye.